class, and today we are going to be doing the tilted pose after we did the walking pose. If you have not seen this, please check out the video on the channel. So today we are going to be doing a tilted pose, and I've already sketched the bits. This is the head and this is the shoulder, just like we do the normal basic shoulder, and this is the hip. But if you notice, I slanted the shoulder because it is a tilted pose. It is not a straight pose. It's going to tilt a bit. So I also slanted this, even though this does not look as slanted as it should. I'm slanted a little more so you can see the slant effect. Something like not too much. Okay. So we're going to be taking our dimensions now, measurements, and we're going to take 0.7 and 1.4, just like we usually do, and then you can erase the excess. Do something on the other line. 0.7. Don't forget to always use faint lines. I'm making it thick because it's tutorial. Okay. So we are doing the same on the hip line as usual. 0.7, 1.4, 0.7. Okay. So we're just going to join. Okay, don't forget that we're going to divide this into 3. Join. So I'm going to join this. Okay. However, this is not going to reach on the other side. This is not going to reach this point. This is just going to stop on this line. So I'm going to just join wherever it stops here. Okay, so I'm going to do the knee. Remember 0.7, 0.35 in, 35 out. Then we'll join as usual. Cover it out. Take 0.7 again. And 0.35 in. Join. We are done on this side, and it's just the basics that we're doing on this side. So for this side, we're going to measure from this middle line that we created when we folded paper. So we're going to measure, and I have 2.2 here, so the midpoint is 1.1, and on that midpoint, we're going to draw a line. You can see that it's slanted, not a straight line. It's going to slant a bit like this. Okay, so on the knee line, where this knee line is, you can just draw a faint line so that you can locate it and to be equal. I'm going to measure 0.35 out on both sides of this line. 0.35. Okay, so I'm going to join. Like so, and then come out as usual, and then on this line as well, then 0.35, or no, not up to 0.35, you can make like 0.2 on both sides. 0.2, and then join. So there we have it, and then for this part, the toe, we're going to slant. You can see that this one I'm going to slant it a bit like so, not straight, and then this one is going to come down straight. Then so you can see that the two legs are not the same because it is slanted. So what we're going to do is to flesh this out, and while you are fleshing it out, because this part is like slanting, is tilted inwards, it is going to be curvy. When you are bringing out the hip, it's going to be curvier than you bring it out, curve it. This is just a rough sketch. And then this part, you just, there's nothing curvy here because you're already putting all the weight on the other side. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. So this one should just be flat, like this, just blend it. Yeah, there's no need to curve it, but here we'll get like a curvy effect. I'm just going to flesh it out and let you see. So this is what the tilted posture looks like. If you want to give it more tilt effect, you can try to extend your leg more, you get. And so this is what it looks like. You give it whatever arm you like, float it, and also do the back view. And this is the end of today's lesson.